right now I am joined on set by my ThousandEyes team. So Kemal, Principal Analyst for us here. I've got Mike Hicks with us here, Principal Solutions Analyst. You guys are members of the Internet Intelligence team at ThousandEyes. We're going to dig into that a bit. This is really such a standout SaaS technology. Cisco acquired ThousandEyes in 2020 to help users see any network, including the internet, as if it were really their own private environment, which I think is just so cool. So tell us about the Internet Intelligence team a little bit. Tell us how you are using the power of ThousandEyes to uncover and share insights and information about the health of the global internet. So Mike, let's just go ahead and start with you.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have all this great data out there. So we have sort of billions of metrics and measurements we're doing on a daily basis. So when something does happen, when we're dealing with the internet, you talked about the black box, when something breaks out there or goes awry or goes funky, people come to us and say, what's going on the internet there, or what's causing this situation to occur. So we have sort of three main efforts we'll do sort of within the team to actually look at that. The first one is the one anyone can do, is a public-facing outage map. So within there you can actually go and you can say, it's not me, it's you type of scenario. See what's going on there. Looking at a significant network outage or an application outage. That's powered by, our metrics underneath it. It's powered by Internet Insights, which is a ThousandEyes product available to customers, which you can sort of drill down into. Then the next thing is, as much as there's not outages going on all the time, we want people to keep an understanding of what's going on, so that the pulse of the internet, as it was, the health, the mood ring, as it were, from there. So we run a bi-weekly blog and a podcast series where we'll actually sort of dive into the numbers. We're collecting thousands of metrics, billions of metrics out from there, and I spend my days just looking at the numbers and looking for patterns and trends and tricks within there. And we'll do that and we'll share that with you, as well as talking about sort of notable outages that happened over the previous couple of weeks there. And then the third scenario we do is things will break, things go down there, and if there's something that's of a global proportions or raises the attention globally through the media, and then people are coming to us from a journalistic perspective, then we'll actually sort of mobilize the team and we'll do a more in-depth podcast and webinar and blog series that talks about the outage itself.
People want to learn more about ThousandEyes, where do they do it?
So the perfect place to go initially to find out more about events is ThousandEyes.com/outages, where you can find our global map of the outages that can be application or network related. Important thing about this one is that it's based on data. It's not sentiment driven, it's actually data driven, which is quite important distinction between everything that's out there and what we are doing. The other one is please subscribe to our podcast, the Internet Report podcast, and the Internet Pulse. We publish it, to Mark's point, every 2 weeks. And in general, ThousandEyes.com.
Beautiful, beautiful. Gentlemen, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. I'm glad you were able to stop by the studio. Keep going to visit ThousandEyes, everybody. So thank you so much.